NETUM Q900 Handheld Mobile Computer Review. Rugged, smart, and built for the field. Picture this. You are halfway through a warehouse shift. Your scanner misreads the same damaged barcode for the fourth time, and your inventory count is already running behind. There is that sharp, familiar frustration tight in your chest, knowing the end of shift report is waiting and the data still is not clean. And here is the thing. It is not just one bad scan. It is the cumulative drag of a device that was never quite built for the demands of your environment. Dropped once and now the screen flickers. Left near the loading dock in the rain and the scanner hesitates. Consumer-grade hardware quietly fails in industrial workflows, and the people carrying those devices feel every single one of those failures by midday. Does any of that sound like your current situation? The pressure compounds in ways that are easy to underestimate. Every misread barcode means manual correction. Every connectivity drop in the middle of a field visit means restarting a process that should have taken seconds. Over a full shift, those small interruptions stack into wasted hours. And wasted hours in logistics translate directly into missed windows, delayed shipments, and frustrated teams. Let me explain what makes this particularly draining. It is not dramatic. It is the slow, quiet erosion of confidence in your own tools. Workers start double-checking everything because they cannot trust a single scan. Supervisors spend time troubleshooting instead of managing. And when a device dies before the shift ends because the battery was never built for real industrial demands, the whole floor feels it. Common fixes like ruggedized cases and software patches rarely address the root problem. There has to be a better starting point. Then everything changed when the NETUM Q900 handheld mobile computer entered the workflow. Don't just pick any rugged handheld mobile computer. Make sure it has a Honeywell HS7 scan engine so you never suffer through slow, misread, or failed barcode captures in demanding environments again. The Q900 is built from the ground up for exactly the kind of work consumer devices quietly fail at. Android 14 runs on an octa-core MT8781 processor, giving you a genuinely responsive platform for business applications, rather than a sluggish experience dressed up in a tough case. IP67 dust and water resistance, a drop-tested chassis, and a 5,000 mAh battery with tool-free swap access make this feel like a purpose-built industrial tool from the moment you pick it up. The Honeywell HS7 engine delivers near instantaneous reads on one-dimensional and two-dimensional barcodes, including damaged and low-contrast labels, which is exactly where cheaper scan engines tend to hesitate or fail. One logistics reviewer who tested the Q900 professionally described the scanning as legitimately fast, noting near-instant reads at distances up to 3 feet with excellent accuracy, even in low-light conditions. A warehouse operator using it across full shifts confirmed the 5,000 mAh battery consistently lasted through a complete workday without needing a swap. And when a swap was needed, the tool-free battery access made it a 10-second fix rather than a production pause. And here is the thing about modularity. Optional UHF RFID, NFC, and fingerprint reader modules mean the Q900 can adapt to different workflow requirements without replacing the device entirely. The 5.99-inch HD IPS touchscreen is large enough for business apps while remaining genuinely portable. Some buyers wonder whether the one-year warranty reflects long-term confidence in the hardware. Realistically, for a device at this price tier with this feature set, it sits well above what most proprietary alternatives offer for comparable investment. What does your current scanning setup actually cost you per failed read? Field teams, warehouse operators, and logistics managers across multiple industries are already running the NETUM Q900 handheld mobile computer as their primary scanning device, and the consistent feedback centers on reliability, scanning speed, and shift-long battery endurance. Results may vary based on environment and deployment configuration. If your current device is creating friction instead of removing it, the Q900 is genuinely worth a closer look. The affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment below. Click through, explore the full specifications, and see whether this is the rugged upgrade your workflow has been waiting for.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.